What kind of Hobbs batting have you used in the past?
I've used the 100% the wool, and I've used your silk and cotton, but mostly I've been using your wool, and that's been really enjoyable. It quilts really beautifully, and the wool has a tendency to puff up in places that I haven't quilted, so even though I generally use, and you can see that the loft is really low, it's still, it has a lovely look to it once you've finished it. So.
That's great. So what kind of projects do you do?
I usually do larger quilts that are for beds and things like that, and I've always been concerned using wool and other things that if you don't quilt it closely enough that it will shift, and it doesn't, and you have a lot of products that are really for everybody who quilts as far apart or not as they want, so it's been really wonderful. And I just used your wool batting last Friday when I was doing a project for my dad. I finished for Christmas, and it really behaves very nicely, and it's easy to work with, and it's easy to hand quilt too, and I've done a lot of hand quilting. My machine broke a couple of years ago, and I was grateful that I had your batting in there so that I could sew with it.